One? What? Oh, good morning. Well, it's morning. I'm not going to say good yet. We'll see. And how are you?
Hey, good.
Are you?
Yeah.
Why are you here with Cook?
Thanks. I know you want me to practice, so it's a picture.
Oh, cool.
Good morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook. Your Honor, the people believe any potential conflict between this honorable court and the Office of the Public Defender. While the people do not believe that any such conflict exists, we make this waiver in the avoidance of all doubt.
The Office of the Public Defender does not believe the conflict is honorable court, the Office of the Public Defender, but if one were to arise, we will waive any such claim that a conflict exists.
All right. The court, for its part, also does not believe the conflict exists, either under the Michigan court rules or the cases decided thereunder. To the extent a conflict does exist, given the waivers, the court will consent to hear the matters. Are we ready to go on this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I'm still waiting on a couple of my witnesses. I don't know why they're late. I know you've had contact with them previously. If the court were to permit 5 minutes, we can try and contact them, see where they are. That would be greatly appreciative.
Okay, I'm not going to have a problem with that. So why don't I stand in recess and then we'll come back. We'll start the case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
All rise.
Can you tell them that I'm ready? They're going to be mad. I came out here without telling them. That was my confession.
Gotta keep on their toes.
I'm thinking. What? I need people. What? Hey. Oh. Oh, good morning. Oh, she mad too. Huh? Okay, well. What? No, we did the all right. Everybody was good. We took care of it. Okay, and staff, what have we learned? This is what occurs when you leave me alone. Okay. I told you this before. The party is where I am. Why are you shaking your head? It is so hard being me. I'm going to get lectured today. Okay. I'm going to stay out here all the time. That way I don't have to hear it. Court does call the case of the people versus Angela Stoker.
Morning again, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Raymond Miller for the piece.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Ms. Stoker.
Your name?
Angela Stoker.
I have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant will be pleading no contest to the charge of disturbing the peace, 90-day offense. Upon a successful plea to that charge, count one would be dismissed. Did Cook write this? They're also agreeing to prosecutors deferred no upfront jail. I got it.
What happens when I write them jail? Judge?
No, it's okay. I'm learning to read your writing.
That makes one of us.
All right. That's the court's full understanding.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's right.
All right. May I have her sworn?
I'm sure to affirm the testimony you're about to give will be truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
State your name, please.
Angela Stoker.
Stoker, it's this court's understanding that you're going to be pleading no contest to the charge of disturbing the peace. That is a 90-day misdemeanor punishable by the 90 days and up to $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that? Do you understand what a no contest plea is?
Yes.
Two things about it I have to make sure that you understand. The first thing, first thing I need to have you understand is it means that you're not further desirous or wanting to contest this charge. You understand that? Second thing you need to understand is that for purposes of sentencing, the court will treat you the same as though you had pled guilty. You understand that?
Okay.
You understand that? All right. Basis for the no contest plea.
Potential civil liability.
So, ma'am, to that charge, how do you plead?
No contest.
You understand that by pleading no contest, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct? Any question about any of those rights? Please look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights, which are part of a trial. You understand that by pleading no contest, you're given those rights as well as all the rights on it.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal outright.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated today to get you to?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
Doing this voluntarily
Yes.
and of your own free will?
Yes.
Court has been provided and has reviewed Pittsfield Township Department of Public Safety report for their case number 25-12323. Any objections to the court having reviewed that report?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
Based upon a review of that report, the court does find that there's a sufficient factual basis in which the court could determine the defendant's guilt of this offense. Ma'am, I do have to advise you, if between the time of my acceptance of your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea, and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
Yes.
Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of no contest. To count 2, count 1 is dismissed. Defendant is referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report and consideration of the prosecutor's deferred. Sentencing in this matter will be
May 13th at 9 a.m.
May 13th. Is that okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Is there a problem with that date?
No. I have to work later that day, but
Pardon?
I just have to work later that day.
What time do you work? 2. And what time is this?
9 a.m.
It's fine.
You start working at 2.
Yes.
We'll have you at it.
Okay.
Sentencing May 13th, 2026. Bond will continue. Can we make a note to try to put her in the early block? All right. Well, you get here, we'll get your sentence to get you. All right.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
This has been a pleasure. See, when I do this myself, no. You just said, why are you shaking your head? What did I do that is wrong? I came in, we did an efficient docket. The one case, where was I? Where?
They thought no one would challenge them. They thought they could make the stop, shape the narrative, and walk away without consequences. But the second this case entered the courtroom, everything changed. The facts started coming out, the contradictions stacked up, and the judge saw straight through the story they were trying to sell. What looked like a routine traffic stop quickly became a complete nightmare for the officers involved. Every overreach, every bad call, every weak excuse, dragged into the light for everyone to see. Then came the moment they never saw coming. The judge stepped in and shut the whole thing down instantly. No patience, no spin, just raw accountability. This is what happens when authority collides with the truth. And trust me, the ending is even worse for them.